We are at the stage of an economic development where we do not have the luxury of being wasteful in terms of resources, in terms of skill or anything. Wastefulness in our thought process itself generates wastefulness in our emotions and feeling, which eventually will determine the wastefulness of our behavior. When we walk in the corporate world, and this corporate world, we do not think of nationality or any skill set of a person becomes our primary skill set to identify and give the responsibilities. Then why should we think about nationalism when it comes to culture, sports, art, science or any other development? In case we want to hire resources, human resources for doing IT work, we go to India, we go to Philippines. When we want to have resources who are cultured, who are hardworking, we go to China when we want scalability. We go to Japan when we want to have Kaizen, when we want to have perfection. We go to America when we want to strive for the development and how America has implemented so much of development. And we combine all these skill sets to deliver a successful project. But yes, my dear friends, there is a common goal, and the common goal is delivering a successful project. Let me look into Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett from the world of finance is a very renowned investor. He's got millions of followers now, and these millions of followers have one common goal, and that is learning investment and making their life prosperous. Look at Warren, look at Oprah Winfrey. She had been tortured so much in her life, but then one day she took the stride that I will stand for myself. She vouched for her own self-esteem, and now look at so many millions of people following Oprah Winfrey. What is the common goal of these people? It's about being courageous, fighting for yourself. If we look at the erstwhile leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, he pulled so many people together with him and led India to strive the freedom. But remember and find out what was the common goal of each and every person who joined Mahatma Gandhi. It was the striving to achieve freedom for the country. Now, my dear friends, look at, in case we have a visionary leader whose motto becomes global nation, whose motto becomes working towards creating global nation, do you think that the day is so far away when we may not have only one global nation in this world, one global government in this world, and the opposition will be the common man, may not be any other party? I look forward and I really pray that we have visionary leaders from Global Peace Foundation doing this activity, and I'm sure as a common man I will join hands to contribute to the larger cause.